Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Carnitine 3000. Take one serving 30 minutes before exercise with water or a light snack. Start with a lower dose to assess tolerance and increase if needed. Pair with carbs on workout days to support muscle uptake and energy. Avoid taking late at night to prevent sleep disruption. Consult a healthcare provider if you have medical conditions or take medications questions. Take Carnitine 3000 in divided doses to reduce stomach upset and maintain steady levels. A common plan is 1,000 mg 3 times daily or 1 dose 30 minutes pre-workout on training days. Adjust timing around meals to improve absorption, using a light carb snack when needed. Monitor how you feel and note any digestive issues. If combining with stimulants, lower doses to assess tolerance first. Keep a simple log of intake and effects. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading anywhere and saving space in your gym bag. I like its glare-free screen and long battery for flights and rest days. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Enjoy it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start with 1/2 of the suggested dose to check tolerance and avoid sudden increases. Stop use if you experience severe nausea, chest pain, or allergic reactions and seek medical help. Be cautious with thyroid disease, diabetes, and medications that affect blood pressure or seizure threshold. Pregnant or breastfeeding people should consult their provider before use. Store supplement in a cool, dry place away from children. Report any unexpected symptoms to your clinician promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.